Good morning. Today I need to fix my fuel tank on my lawnmower. It's been leaking all last season. It leaked on me. I would run out of gas halfway through mowing the yard. So I've been just dealing with it, but today I'm going to try to put some epoxy on it and fix that leak. So here on my lawnmower, this is the fuel tank. And you can see where all the dirt and dust is collecting. There's a fuel leak somewhere down here. I'm going to attempt to just clean it really good and put some epoxy on it and see if that holds. Just trying to get all the life I can out of this lawnmower. I'm going to try to just use some epoxy that I already had open. I got a new one in there if this doesn't work. So a good piece of plastic and a stick I found laying around. See if we can't find this hole. I'm hoping it's not a crack. My thought is wherever the leak is, all the dust should be no higher than that. If you're thinking I need to clean this out, clean it off, you're absolutely right. I normally every spring change the oil filter, fuel filter, all that good stuff. Just haven't done it yet. Very thankful for this little impact socket. Look at there. See where it's wet? I think you can see it over here better. In the sunlight, there's a little bitty pinhole right there. Let that brake cleaner dry for a second, and I see if I can squirt a little epoxy in there. I'm one step above a shade tree mechanic. I'm still kind of not very professional about this. I may not be able to use this epoxy. I'm kind of trying to pack it into that big hole. But just in case that's not it, I'm going to smear this around a little bit on all around. It doesn't have to be pretty. I'm going to give that about, I don't know, an hour to dry maybe. Well, after I got the epoxy and the fuel tank back on, I changed the oil and the fuel filter and the air filter. Mowed all of our yard. It's probably about 2 acres. But so far, the epoxy is holding up fine. I don't see any leaks. Before, it was like collecting dust because it was so wet. So I'll just keep an eye on it. But I'm hoping that a little bit of money taking care of this thing, it'll last me a good long time, so I don't have to buy one of these new.